welcome to the first lesson of onlinemandarin.info. This is Hongyan, and today we are going to learn some basic Chinese. I'm sure some of you must have heard 你好 before. And what does this 你好 mean? Yeah, it means hello. Okay, so the first word we learn about Chinese is 你好. Let's take a look of this 你好. 你 means you, 好 means good. 你好 is like you, good. So it actually means hello. Okay, read after me please. 你好. 你好. Hello. And if I say 你好, you will also say 你好. Okay, very good. 你好. 你好. And the second word we're going to learn is thank you. How to say thank you in Chinese? It's 谢谢. 谢谢. The first 谢 is going down. In Chinese we have 4 tones, and the 谢 is the 4th tone, it goes down. 谢谢. 谢谢 means thank you. Okay, read after me please. 谢谢. 谢谢. And what would you say if I say 谢谢? I say thank you, you would say you're welcome. And you're welcome in Chinese is 不用谢. 不用谢. 不用 is no need. 不 is no. 用 is need. And 谢 is thank you. So 不用谢. It's like no need, thanks. And it's actually you're welcome. So read after me please. 不用谢. 不用谢. You're welcome. Or we can say it another way is 不客气. 不客气 also means you're welcome. So if I say 谢谢, you can say 不用谢, or you can say 不客气. 谢谢. 不用谢. 谢谢. 不客气. Very good. So thank you in Chinese is 谢谢. And you're welcome is 不用谢 or 不客气. 谢谢. 不用谢. 不客气. Very good. Read after me one more time please. 谢谢. 不用谢. 谢谢. 不客气. Very good. And we're going to learn one more word today, which is goodbye. Goodbye in Chinese is 再见. 再见. 再 is again. 见 is meet. 再见 is like see you again. 再见. Read after me please. 再见. 再见. English we say bye. In Chinese we say bye bye. Bye bye. The tone is going up. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, so for bye we have 2 ways of saying it. One is 再见, and the other way is bye bye. Okay, let's have a look of the word we learned today. The first one is hello. 你好. 你好. And the second one is thank you. 谢谢. 谢谢. The third one is you're welcome. 不用谢. 不用谢. The fourth one is also you're welcome. 不客气. 不客气. And the fifth one is 再见. 再见. Goodbye. Or we can say bye bye. Okay, so hello. 你好. 你好. Thank you. 谢谢. 谢谢. You're welcome. 不用谢. You're welcome. 不客气. 不客气. Goodbye. 再见. 再见. Bye. Bye bye. Okay, that's the words we learned today. And if you like the lesson, please check onlinemandarin.info. See you at next lesson. Have a good day.